Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Vantage to Coinbase. So let's jump right in. First things first, open the Vantage website or mobile app and then sign into your account. Then from here, you want to choose withdrawal. And once you're here, all you have to do is just double check the account that you were using, then enter the amount. So let's say, for example, $100. There we go. And also, if you want to cash out everything at once, you can just simply tap on max. Then once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click continue. Then on the next page, you will be asked to choose your preferred withdrawal method. So it should look something like this. So let me go to deposit and enter an amount, continue. So it should look very similar to this page. So from here, just select e-wallet. Then look for Coinbase from the list. Now, depending on your region, and this is very important, depending on your region, the available options might look slightly different, but Coinbase should appear if it's supported in your area. As you can see, these are exclusive to my region or to my area. Now, once selected, paste your Coinbase address into the wallet address field and make sure the address is correct because crypto transactions can't be reversed. After reviewing all the details, confirm the withdrawal and submit your request. And that's it. Your withdrawal will be processed, and once approved, the funds will be sent directly from Vantage to your Coinbase. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.